What's one? Mm-mm. Name one thing women are going to do whether they are working or laid off. I'll go first. They are going to buy beauty products. They are going to buy makeup. They are going to buy conditioner for their hair. They're going to keep themselves up. And this is why I partnered with a beauty company, and you can too. So let me just show y'all this opportunity and compensation plan. Let's get right to it. Now, the company I joined is Farmasi, y'all. If you want to join, you go right now, go to go to partnerwithkatina.com. That is how you can get started right now, right away. Partner with Katina. It'll say farmacyus.com/Katina the broker. But let me show you this comp plan. That is why we are here. So when you go to opportunity plan, right? So let's talk about it. Let me hurry up and get to this page. And I'm going to tell you. All right, here we go. So 10 ways to earn, y'all, at Farmasi. 10 ways. So the first way you can earn is the first 4 months that you sign up, you can earn free products. With these free products, you want to try them out and share the information with your friend. So the second way you can earn is online commissions. Now, I have partnered with similar companies in the past. I'm not promoting those as much because it's not everyday products like this. Like, this is a slam dunk for anyone who needs a side hustle or needs to have a good plan B in case their job fires them, like the jobs fired 300,000 Black women in 2025 in the first, 120 days of 2025. So anybody who needs a good side hustle, right? This is an easy sell. You get 50% of the sales. You get 50% commissions of everything you sell on this site. This is why it was a no-brainer for me, y'all. A no-brainer. The number 3 way is retail profit. You can earn 50% of the retail price when you sell a product to your customers. Number 4, the team building program. You can earn free products. And so the 4th way, you can earn free products, and in the team builder program, you can earn free products. Number 5, you can earn personal bonuses. Earn up to 25% commission on your personal volume. Let's see what else. Group bonuses. So earn a group bonus on eligible personally sponsored beauty influencers. Number 7, leadership bonuses. Earn up to 7 generations. 7, y'all. 7 generations. You get bonuses, right? Anytime your downline is getting 25, 22, and 18% commissions, you get a bonus. Number 8, car allowances, right? You receive a monthly car allowance when you achieve Golden Director status and above. Number 9, cash bonuses. Earn a one-time cash bonus when you achieve Director status and above. And number 10, unforgettable experiences, y'all. When you achieve Golden Director, they are sending us to exotic and amazing travel destinations. Now, all of this, it just sounds really exciting to me. I don't know about you, and let me just tell you. So here's a little something about me. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe and like the video, right? But the type of person I am, I do everything in my power to help my teammates to be successful. Sometimes people are a little bit intimidated on marketing or how to share an opportunity. So I got a long background in marketing and in sales. So I will typically hold workshops every week so that nobody is left behind, so that I'm helping everybody to get where they need to be. And so just helping them to be successful. Okay. So that is how I operate. And let's just learn, though, a little bit about the company. So let's just look at the mission, vision, and values. So over at Farmasi, the mission is to transform people's lives with to transform lives with products that provide wellness and economic empowerment, right? So question, who remembers Mary Kay or Avon, right? This is kind of why I jumped on this opportunity. Again, I did pray on it. I waited a couple of days, but I remember Avon and Mary Kay. I remember those Mary Kay people driving those pink Cadillacs, but all of that stuff I wouldn't join because it's old. So I would be way at the back of the bus. But Farmasi is a new opportunity. It's a relaunch. It's newer, so therefore you have so much more potential. Your earning potential is a lot better here than it would be at a Mary Kay, right? Now the vision over at Farmasi is to become the #1 direct selling cosmetics company by 2025. Now this is 2025 already, but like I said, maybe it's waiting on us. It's waiting on us to get the word out and to just do what we do, right? Just make lots of sales. Now, listen, comment in the comment section below. Just type sales. I want to see who has been afraid of sales or of marketing in the past, right? Because again, I put my 110% energy into my downline, into my teammates, into helping them to not be afraid of sales. So type sales in the comment section, y'all. So the values, right? The values help guide our business, define our culture, and inspire our future. So beauty, self-expression, intention, integrity, and empowerment. Those are the values over at Farmasi. So again, y'all, if you're ready to get started, if you're ready to take control of your earning potential and not be afraid if your job fires you, go ahead and partner with Katina.com. You want to purchase a product. Again, you can start with as little as $20, but you want to purchase a product of at least a $200 value so that you can maximize your earning potential. Okay, so that's it, y'all. That's it for today. I'm very excited. 2026 is going to be amazing. I plan to take 10 people with me to quickly reach 10K a month here at Farmasi, y'all. We've done it before. So don't miss out on the opportunity. Timing and position is everything at a company like this. It really is. So you want to hit the ground running. You want to get started and be prepared right now. So just visit Partner with Katina. You're going to get an email from me directly, and I'm ready, and I hope you are too. So that's it for today. Click like, y'all, so that YouTube can share this video with more people who need to reach 10K a month in 2026. Go ahead and share the video, comment below, like, and I will see you on the other side. Again, I'm Katina the Broker. Take care. Let's get it, y'all.